Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jira Software for Agile Sprint Planning, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Jira Software for Agile Sprint Planning, start by navigating to the Atlassian website. Log into your Atlassian account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, locate the Jira Software product among the various options available. Click on the Jira Software icon to enter the Jira Software dashboard. If you haven't created a project yet, click on the Create Project button. Select a project template that suits your Agile workflow, such as Scrum or Kanban. Fill in the project details like the name and key, then click on the Create button. Now, access your newly created project from the dashboard. Within the project, go to the Backlog section to prepare for sprint planning. To initiate the sprint, click on the Create Sprint button at the top of the backlog. Drag and drop user stories and tasks from the backlog into the sprint. Make sure to review each item for appropriate estimation and prioritization. Once your sprint is ready, click on the Start Sprint button to activate it. In the dialog that appears, define the sprint name and duration. Confirm the start of the sprint by clicking on the Start button. Now your sprint is activated, and your team can start tracking progress. Monitor the sprint activity through the burn-down chart and sprint report. Keep communication open with your team to address any roadblocks during the sprint. At the end of the sprint, review all completed work and hold a retrospective to discuss improvements. Once completed, consider closing the sprint and moving any incomplete tasks to the next one. With these steps, you have successfully activated Jira Software for Agile Sprint Planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.